The ASCT+B reporter was developed to support the review and optimization of anatomical structures, cell types, and biomarkers. The tables are authored by domain experts in support of developing an atlas of the healthy human body. The reporter homepage lists major features, contributors, and affiliations. It also provides links to the data tables, the code on GitHub, and the documentation. To go to the visualization, click on the button Go to Visualization. This takes you to the global visualization, where you have the organs in red, the cell types in blue, and the biomarkers in green. This is the organ sheet selector. Currently, there are 10 organs and one additional all organs option which provides a global view of all the organs. This list lets you select the type of visualization. Currently, there are two visualizations, the tree that you see here and the indented list. This is the refresh button. This button allows you to refresh the data from the flattened Google Sheets in real time. Any change will be reflected from the Google Sheets on the visualizations by clicking this button. Using this button, you can export the tree visualization into different image and JSON formats. PNG, SVG are supported for images. You can also export it as a Vega spec, which is in a JSON format. This button brings in the report. The report computes various statistics of anatomical structures, cell types, and biomarker sets. These statistics can be clicked on to check for additional details. Reports can also be downloaded using the button below. Additionally, if you find any issues, you can report them using this button. This button opens up the debug log. The debug log lists warnings and errors that occur during data parsing and visualization creation. For individual organs as well as for all organs, there are two tabs. The first one displays the logs of the currently selected organ sheet. The second tab displays logs of the current session. Certain messages can be clicked and hovered over to collapse or expand them. Lastly, this button can be used to navigate to the flattened data tables and the GitHub repository for this reporter. On selecting an organ sheet, we can see the titles on the top and the legend. The nodes in the visualization can be hovered over to highlight the links. The nodes can also be clicked for the highlights to persist. Please note that only the nodes in the bimodal network can be hovered or clicked. Clicking on any of these titles will reveal the graph functions. The cell type nodes and the biomarker nodes can be sorted and sized in various ways. They can be sorted alphabetically, which is by default, and by size. The size depends on their degree. The degree is the number of in links and the number of out links. You also can size it by the in degree as well as the out degree. Biomarkers can be sorted alphabetically as well as by their degree. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to try out the tool for yourself.